friends, how are you today? I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make a bird house or a bird feeder. I'm going to show you some basic things that you need. We need 3 pieces of cardboard, one long one with a rectangle shape, one square one, and one long piece. You will need 2 tops for any containers, tape, glue, and scissors, and any type of seeds that you can find in your house. Before you start, maybe mommy or daddy can help you to cut these shapes. Ready? Let's do it. First, you need to attach these 2 pieces together by using glue. You add a little bit of glue in the middle of the square, and you attach the long piece. Then you add glue at the end of the long piece of cardboard, and you put the tops or leaves. Let them dry for a little bit. And then with this rectangle shape, you're gonna bend it in the middle and use it as the roof of the house. With this, for this part, we're gonna need tape. You can always ask mommy or daddy to help you. Here, and then we do the other side. You let it dry for a little bit, and once it's dry, you can add some of the seeds. On one side, and a little bit of water on the other side. And that's it. You can add it in your garden and hang it if you want. Thank you. Goodbye.